We got some bittersweet news for you guys. We do have to abandon this EG Civic build. So let me explain a little bit about this car. The wiring just ended up being too far gone. We pulled the whole engine harness. There ended up being a ton of just open ends on the wiring. It's extremely important for the car to run and to drive properly. We picked up a new harness, but this one will not work for this car, unfortunately. But the chassis harness was all ripped apart, worse than I had imagined. Not to mention all the things that you guys saw in the most previous videos, like a ton of these welds that are like, this is just held on by a screw. There's rebar holding in the bottom of the frame there. A little bit too far gone for my liking. The only thing that is good about this build is the power plant and the transmission. The wheels are crap, the wiring is crap, the body is crap. But I told you the bitter news, now I'm going to tell you guys the sweet news. We are going to be abandoning this shell, but I do have, check this out, a new EG shell that we're going to be taking that power plant and throwing into this thing here. So we are going to be getting started on the swap here. I'm super stoked. The car is over at a subscriber's house that I ran into. Mo, come on over. So this is at Mo's house. He is the one that is donating the shell for you guys. This is Mo here. Say what's up.
What's going on, guys?
So Mo is, he does all his own stuff, does some killer work, and he's gonna be helping me with this build, with this swap. This is actually his car, and we're gonna be using this for the channel. We got some super exciting news later on in the video. You guys gotta stick around to find out what that is, but without further ado, let's start swapping this thing over. You ready, bro?
Yes, sir.
Let's get to it. Pulling through the wire. Engine harness is out. I'm sorry, Alright guys, as you saw, we got the engine out of the old Civic and into the new Civic. Yeah, engine is out of the old Civic and into the new one. So we're gonna jump on to a couple other things, jump onto some wiring, and we're gonna jump on some tuning, and we got a lot of stuff to button up still. So stay tuned. Let's get cranking.
So in another 5 minutes.
We are back with a little bit of a sad sight, but exciting things to come. This is the old EG sitting here in a pretty sad state. So as you guys obviously saw previously in this video, the engine was taken out of this one and thrown into the new donor hatch body. So this shell is going up for sale, and we're about to show you guys what we ended up finishing up on the new EG hatch. We are back at Mo's house. Mo, you killed it on this thing, bro. He's about to show us some of the stuff that he did to this thing. And yes, it does run and it does drive. So a little bit on that later on in the video. So this is where we are at now. The car is pretty much ready to go with a couple loose ends. So what do we got? What are we looking at, bro?
All right, so this is the B20 v-tec B18 head from that car. Same turbo kit he had on it, has a few name brand parts on it. The main thing I had to clean up when doing this whole process was pretty much a lot of the wiring was just butchered, and they were trying to do things that you really shouldn't do and really shouldn't bypass. once I straightened all the wiring out and we got an actually good tune on it, and now that's on pump gas, we're good to go. It's tuned on 9 pounds, so you know, give or take, it's probably in the mid 3s somewhere. It feels pretty good. I mean, it's only got steelies on it, so you can't really get the full, you know, the full feel with these tires on it, but you know, it's good to go. It's
so
capable.
we did pick up new injectors for this thing. What other new parts did we use? Oh, new radiator. New radiator went in.
Timing belt, secondary aftermarket tensioner that plugs into the power steering unit. The wideband is new. Odds and ends here and there. You know, oil filter. You know, the whole 9. Coolant. We got a new radiator, new slim fan.
Chris was a massive help on this. Thank you, bro. I appreciate all the help.
Man.
I'm excited. We're about to hear this thing run, huh? You gonna start it up for us, bro?
Yeah.
All right, let's hear it. Here we go. It is what? How many months in the works? Mo's been cranking away on this thing.
At least a couple months.
2, 3 months. Oh, she is purring. That sounds sick. So obviously this thing looks a little bit rough still, but we're gonna talk about that later. Let's go for a quick ride. I'm gonna show you guys how crazy this car is. Mo's gonna take it for a spin first, and then I'm gonna drive it, and let's get some reactions. Here we go, I'm excited.
The e-brakes still don't work, so we I don't know.
Okay, no worries.
I don't know.
She's moving, that is awesome. Holy crap, dude. This is so crazy.
Yeah, it's like surreal, right?
Yeah, it is. Wow.
It's all old.
Oh, yeah.
Matters.
Right. This thing sounds so good. Super stoked that it's on the road, ready to go. And pretty soon we're gonna make it look the part as well, but we are about to give you guys a good pull, hear what it sounds like, see what it can do. So here we go.
You ready?
Yeah.
Everyone good?
Yep.
The little thing came out that says I don't need a freaking.
Oh no, it flew out the
paper
window!
flew out.
Oh,
I just stayed in it.
Video, that is insane. And I'll drive it back. Oh my god,
I'm
dude.
gonna try to do it first gear this time.
Okay. Oh! Oh!
The paper.
Oh my
Like,
god!
it actually feels good.
I saw the
Wow,
paper.
that was insane. Holy crap. This thing rips, dude. Nice work. Oh yeah! Wow, dude.
There she goes. She
Definitely goes.
Holy
The
crap.
video doesn't do it justice, man.
Yeah,
It really doesn't.
It doesn't. Really
It
kick.
lag.
Yup.
It gets up a little bit and then v-tec hits.
Yup,
and then
it
it's
kicks
out.
hard. Woo! Wow. This thing is sick, dude.
And then it's just back to being quiet.
Yep.
Like,
It's a
really
nice
not that
daily.
loud.
Alright, we're gonna get a flyby. Here we go. Dude, this thing is insane.
This is the first time I get to see it move. I've only ever been in it before.
It looks so stock from the back. I love it.
No, I was...
Alright, here he comes. This is the first time witnessing a flyby. The V20 v-tec big turbo Civic EG hatch. Take it for a rip. Might stall this thing, to be honest with you. Super short shifter too.
Yeah. That's stock.
Yeah, that's crazy.
See that jolt right there? That's what everything's tight, but give it a little pull.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah. feels good.
Yeah, it feels nice.
Okay, we're good.
I scared the Honda guy himself. That is gnarly. Oh my god. That is insane, dude. That feels so. Second gear feels nice.
Yeah.
Second gear feels real
Second
nice.
gear's always just so rowdy.
It started to get into it. I shifted too early. That is sick. Dude, nice work. You killed it on this thing. Feels so good.
Hey, it runs, dude.
It runs.
The mission. That was the mission.
Completed.
Civic with a laptop, side quest complete.
Yeah.
So you guys just saw first rip in this car. For me, Mo took it for a rip. This thing absolutely eats the tires. Super stoked to continue this build. Stick around for some really exciting new content for this thing coming soon. That is a wrap on episode 4 of the EG build. This thing came a long way, and if that didn't get you guys excited for episode 5, I don't know what will. So this thing is ready to go. It needs a couple little loose ends here buttoned up, like the rear motor mount that the poly just went and ate itself apart. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do some wheels, we're gonna do some paint, we're gonna do some body work, and this thing's gonna look the part pretty soon. So stick around. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Mo, you absolutely killed it on this thing, bro. Appreciate all the help.
No problem.
Yo, where can they subscribe to your channel? Mo's got some Honda content himself.
732 Goonies Garage on YouTube. I mainly do a bunch of Honda stuff. I haven't really been consistent, but we'll get there.
Hey, that's all right. We're gonna help him out. He's gonna start being consistent. He's gonna crank out new Honda content for you guys. So link in the description to go check out his channel. Appreciate you. This thing is insane.
No problem,
Chris, dude,
Chris.
yeah, you killed it too. A lot of work went into this thing, a lot of hours, a lot of manpower. So like I said, I only have so much Honda knowledge, but we're learning and we're building as we go. So thanks for tuning in to episode 4. Super stoked to get episode 5 out to you guys coming soon. Stay tuned, drop a like, hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to 732 Goonies Garage. Let's get him to 1,000 subscribers ASAP. He's doing a lot of awesome Honda content as well. And he helped a lot on this build. So go subscribe to his channel. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys in episode 5.